Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Many of the developers they struggle to find the way to create a connected app in the Salesforce Lightning. Okay, so for creating a connected app in the Salesforce Lightning, we should have to go on the setup. From the setup in the quick find, we have to type as a external here, external, and we can see here we can find here under the external client app. We can see external client app manager, who auth user in setting, and this if you go under setting, once you click the setting, we can see we have two option to create a new connected app. Either we can create from here or we can create from the app manager as well. App manager. So if you go on the app manager, and we can see here new external client app, from this button as well we can create a connected app. So let me go to the external here, external, and we can see here these are the two connected app that got created. So either this two way we can create a connected app in the Salesforce. So if you go by the setting and you can click here, like we can, if you want to export the consumer key and consumer secret using the metadata API or REST API, we can have to enable this one, like this turn off, turn on. You can do this one like this. We can do. So we can create a connected app from here. So we can give all the needs this information and we can save it, and then it will create a connected app for you, and we can find the consumer key, secret consumer key from there also.